Hello friends, in this video you will learn finding number of even and odd factors of a given number. In previous video I explained finding all the factors of any number. Before that, if you know this prime factorization method, let us see one example. We need to find out even and odd factors. The 48 is taken. If you do prime factorization method for this, 224 again is divisible by 2, 212 and 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is 6. So finally 48 I can write as product of prime numbers. So it's 3 is divisible by 1. 3 1s are 3. Now 48 we can write 2 is 4 times, 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 1. So this is a prime factorization method. Based on this prime factorization, we can find out number of even and odd factors. So all the factors I explained previous, that is 48, we can write as now 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 1. Once you see the concept of in this, for example, any number we can write product of prime numbers, product of prime factors. That is 2 is the least prime number. You can write 2 to the power some number p into 3 to the power q, and next 5 to the power r, and 7, next prime number is 7 to the power s, and so on. This is order. So any huge number is given also, we can write only the product of prime numbers. In this, number of factors, number of all factors, number of factors, if you need, we can take all the powers. We should add number 1 to all the power, that is p plus 1 and q plus 1 and r plus 1 and s plus 1. We should add number 1 to all the powers and we need to multiply the total. This formula gives the result as number of factors of everything. Number of factors of 48. Number of factors, now we will take all the powers, 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 1, because powers I have taken. That is 5 into 2 is 10. So number of factors for 48 is total 10 we are getting. You can check it once. 48 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4. So which are all factors, which are all divisible by ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. It's 12. 4s are, again if it is divisible by 16 also. 24 2 times. And 48 is 1 time. Okay, so these are all the factors of 48. These all, if you count, the total is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of factors of 10. But we need number of even factors and odd factors. So in this even, or except 1 and 3 all are even. So 8 are there, even factors. And number of odd factors are only 2. So one simple concept based on this, after finding prime factorization method, so to get the number of even factors, or to get the number of odd factors, number of odd factors means we will not take the 2 power value. So 2 power p will not take. So remaining powers you can add 1 for q plus 1, r plus 1 and s plus 1 and so on. So this is for odd factors, because 2 is the least prime number. To get the odd factors we will not take the 2. Even factors, actually if you subtract from the odd, we'll get the number of even factors from the total. Otherwise we'll take the 2 power value as it is into, then we can add the q plus 1, r plus 1 and s plus 1 and so on. 2 to the power value will take only once. So here even factors are 2 to the power 4. So 4 will power you can take only once. Remaining powers will add 1. 1 plus 1. So 4 2 is 8. Odd factors are 2 to the power p. The 2 power value we shall not take. The remaining powers is 1. That we need to add 1. So that is 2. So number of factors. Even is 8 and odd is 2. Concept is only based on this simple 3 formulas. Number of factors will add 1 to for every power and multiply. Number of even factors, first power as it is, remaining powers will add 1. Number of odd factors, 2 to the power value will not remove this. One special cases, for example, if you take 1024, this we can write 2 to the power 10. In this case, only 2 power something, so we don't know other values. So odd factors will take 1 because remaining is there is no means we can take it as 3 power 0, 5 power 0 and so on. We can guess it. So according to odd factors, for remaining powers we add 1. 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 and so on is 1. So if you get only 2 power some number, then number of odd factors is only 1. So as well as this for this even factors is 10 plus 1. So 11 will come for 1024. This is only special case, in case if you don't know 2 power value. So this formula you can use for finding number of even factors and odd factors.